Okay, I just checked those coals. Those coals look marvelous. They're nice and ashen gray.
Yeah.
They're perfect. Ready for the indirect cooking.
Yep.
The lamb has been marinating for a while. I can see that mint is just melting into all of those little slits that you put in there. What's next?
Baby potatoes.
Baby potatoes?
How are you going to do
Yep.
those?
I am going to put some olive oil first. Thank you.
Okay, so you need this big bowl over here.
Yes, that would be
Get that
great.
out of your way. Grab these potatoes for you.
There we go. Okay, so you take these potatoes and then you douse it with olive oil and then throw some salt here, some sea salt, which is yummy. Tastes a lot better than regular salt. And then I'm going to put some rosemary on here. And right after this, after I mix them up, I'm going to throw them in the pan so it'll roast with the lamb.
And you're going to put some garlic in there too, right?
Oh, yeah.
Some
Tons of garlic.
Garlic that are left over.
Yep.
So this is going down in that pan that we've got in the Weber, the indirect heating.
Absolutely.
Method. It's also going to work with the drip pan. So
Absolutely.
Some of the juices from this lamb are going to come down and mix with all of this stuff. And we'll have a wonderful side dish. What about the asparagus?
The asparagus I'm going to steam
Steam
in
that
foil
in the kitchen?
towards the end. No, on the grill.
On the grill.
On the grill. And I'm going to put some herbs and like a little vinaigrette on that.
Excellent.
And then I'm going to do the same with some tomatoes. I'm going to steam that with some herbs. And it'll be like a real authentic provincial dish.
Sounds good.
Yeah, there we go. And so what we need to do now is throw this in the pan.
We're going to put that in first.
Yes, we're going to put that in first and then put the lamb on top.
Okay, Alexander, you're chopping up that garlic and
Yep.
adding it to this wonderful dish.
Absolutely.
George, I think we need to lift that hot grill off of there
Yeah.
so we can get to
we do.
that drip pan. Oh. Are you ready to dump that in?
Absolutely. Here we go.
Okay, the coals are perfect. And you're just adding those vegetables right into the drip pan.
There we go.
Handful
Take
of garlic.
the garlic, throw
Oh,
it
that
on
looks
there.
delicious. The rosemary, I
Yummy,
can smell
yummy,
that
yummy.
rosemary right now.
Oh, yeah.
This is
Got
fantastic.
plenty of that. Thank you.
And we've got a second bowl that goes in there.
And there
Oh,
we
that looks
go.
absolutely delicious.
Yummy,
It's sizzling and
yummy.
everything. On the top of there. The grill's hot. The coals are hot. The vegetables are in the pan. They're cooking. There's a potato sticking out that fell into the grill. That's for me later.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, let's put that lamb on.
I think,
George,
I'm
why don't
ready. You
Why
ready?
don't you help her pick up the platter and take that on over there?
There we go.
You ready?
Yeah.
There we go.
All right.
Voila.
Voila.
leg of lamb.
Drizzle this over the top of it?
If you'd like to, sure.
Alex?
Yep, there we go.
Olive oil in a second. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that looks good.
That's it out. That
Yummy.
looks amazing.
Like garlic.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the indirect cooking way, huh?
Yep, it is.
And this is the leg of lamb, French Provençal. Let's put that lid on. We're going to go hit the beach, ladies and gentlemen. Play a little volleyball, maybe do a little surfing out here in Marina del Rey on Outdoor Cooking World. What do you say, George?
Oh, yeah.
Well, we just had a wonderful time at the beach. Played
Yeah,
a little
we did.
volleyball, enjoyed
Yeah.
the waves and the sand and the surf. Tell us
I
a
actually
little
hit
bit.
the ball, which I'm happy about that.
You did. You hit it
I
very
played
well.
it a little bit.
Yeah, you improved.
Thank
very
you.
well.
Thanks a lot. I
What
fell.
type of? Did you hurt yourself?
I'm fine. No.
Okay. What type of wine are we going to serve with this wonderful lake?
We are going to have the Clos du Bois Merlot. It's yummy with lamb.
This is California wine,
Yes, it is.
California red, perfect with lamb.
Yes, perfect with lamb.
And let's just to go over that, we had a 6.5 pound or 6 1/4 pound,
It was a 6 1/4
lamb.
pound leg of lamb.
and it was cooked French
Provençal.
Provençal.
Yes.
Can you say that, George?
Provençal.
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 French Provençal with the herb.
Yes.
Provençal. That's what makes it
Herbes
special.
de Provence.
Big thing that we did, number of slices in it. You stuffed it with
Garlic.
garlic,
Rosemary.
rosemary, 2 twigs of rosemary in each of those little slits, salt, white pepper.
Yes.
Anything else?
A little bit of mint.
A little bit of mint and olive
And
oil.
olive oil.
And
Yeah.
marinated it for about a half an hour.
Right.
And it's been cooking 20 minutes per pound.
What
We're
temperature
about,
does it have to get up to?
Yeah, exactly. What was that?
About 160.
So 160 is a safe temperature. That's
Yeah.
for medium.
That's for medium. Medium well.
Leg of lamb.
Yes.
And do you think it's ready? How long
Listen,
has
you
it
know
been
what?
on?
I think it's almost ready.
Let's pull that leg of lamb right off the grill.
Yeah.
Look at that.
knows you.
All right.
Go.
Yeah, those look delicious. It smells good too.
Maybe we should put those potatoes around there.
Yeah, here, why don't, here. And
I'm
then,
gonna trust you
let's
to do
move
while I
this
pour some of
over.
this Quebecois.
I don't, what do you think? Pouring it in?
Yeah, why not?
It's outdoor cooking world. Why not?
Sure.
There we go.
I'm gonna get too fancy.
Get a little bit on each side there.
So by indirect cooking, we've got a drip pan. All of that wonderful fat has come off of the leg of lamb, and it's come back and dripped back down, and it's
Oh,
made
yeah,
that wonderful
look at
gravy.
that.
We don't have to make gravy out of it.
I will set this
Yeah,
down.
I'll take that.
George, you up for a little of this red
Put
wine?
this around.
I certainly am.
Okay, look at that.
There we
Potatoes are
go. Okay, so why don't I put these here?
Why don't you slap them over there? I'm ready to taste this. Are you ready to taste it?
Well, I just want to say something.
What do you want to say?
Alex,
Hold on a
Foster, I'm liking the look of that.
You liking the look of that lamb? I do
Yeah.
too, let me tell you.
That looks pretty good,
Oh, and those
huh?
tomatoes, that looks marvelous too.
Here
And they
you
only took
go.
about, we actually
Thanks.
put the tomatoes and the asparagus on.
Oh, it
What,
took
about
about
10
10
minutes
minutes
ago?
to steam, yeah. And here they are.
Oh my goodness.
Dish.
Steamed.
And it smells good. Mmm.
There we go.
Okay, want some of that with Okay, the mint sauce has magically
The
appeared.
mint sauce is here.
There it is.
How did you make that mint sauce? Very quickly.
I made it with broth and red
kind of
wine. Beef broth.
So beef broth.
Beef broth, red wine, mint leaves, rosemary, white pepper, and salt.
I think we're going to be able to flash that recipe up there on a
Yeah,
graphic for the folks at
absolutely.
home.
How long does it cook for?
It doesn't cook for very long. I just heat it up and then thicken it up a little bit, and it's pretty much done within 5 minutes.
Oh,
That
my
lamb's
goodness.
looking so good, it's asking me to carve it up. Would you hold this for me, George?
I certainly will.
I'm going to pass out this lovely Clos de Bois, the large one for our special guest,
Of course.
Alexandra.
Thank you.
We'll take these little tiny ones over here. What should I use as a carving
I
knife?
think that might work.
All right, let's see if we can get 3 slices of this.
Ooh.
Oh, it's very tender.
Look at that.
Jordy, there's one for you and a potato.
Oh, and I like the end. He remembers
The end
that.
is
Yeah,
actually
the end
the
is,
best part.
This is just for tasting.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I, of course, get the largest slice.
And so you
and
should.
Some of that.
You are the host.
Yeah.
Some of the, and you're the wonderful guest.
Now
Can I have a potato?
She should
Can I
have
have
some
potato?
potatoes too.
Special potato.
Thank you.
Just a very small amount, just so we can get the flavor and tell the folks at home what this tastes like.
Okay, want a little sauce?
I absolutely do. Thank
Here
you.
we go. Move this little thing.
Lovely. What are we drinking here? Cabernet. Or Merlot?
Thank you.
It's a Merlot. You got your fork? Okay.
I certainly do.
Let's check it out.
Check this out. Oh man, that's good. I am liking that. So
Yeah.
I know that you're the
try
wonderful
the
chef
veggies
here.
too?
We'll try those veggies in a second. What do you think about all of this wonderful recipe that you made?
I'm digging it. I really like it.
You like it?
How'd you like it?
Was it good?
It's yummy. I like it.
Hey, it's not only good. It's
That's good.
Woo! That is good.
We'll see you next time here on Outdoor Cooking World. Thank you very much, Alexandra.
Oh, you're welcome. It was my pleasure. Eat up.
We'll see you outdoors.